Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to explain to you how to use tuples. Tuples are pretty similar to list, but the great difference is that tuples are immutable. But for example, in a list I can add elements and I can remove them, I can pop out them, and in tuples I cannot do that. But there are some things that are pretty similar to the list. For example, I can get indexes. I can get an index from a tuple. I can get the length of a tuple. I can add two tuples into one tuple. So actually, I'm going to show you the basic. Here are the basic operations with tuples. You can see you can find length. You can add tuples. You can multiply tuples so you can get more elements inside of a tuple. You can find elements in a tuple. And for example, I'm going to show you a small example I did. So this program, what it does is that it's kind of how the inscription in for the schedule in school works. So there are three tuples. This class 1, class 2, and class 3. They are different subjects and they have different available rooms for each subject. And what it does is that, well, you basically subscribe to subjects, and I actually used kind of a mesh in between the length, but actually this length is not the length of the tuple, but the length of the list that is inside of the tuple. So to do that, I just insert the index. If you can see here, this index is number 1. So for example, in fundamentals, index 0 is fundamentals and index 1 is the list where the rooms are. So I just want to print or want to know the length of the list that is inside the tuple. And basically, I think that was the major operation I did, but I'm going to show you why I use a tuple. So I just select a class, so I will select fundamentals. So it says that I have 2 available rooms, so I want to scrap. I say yes, then I write 207. If you can see over here, this one is the list that is inside this tuple. Okay, so when I write this, my inscription to the room 3207 is completed. I want to continue. Yes, I want to do again fundamentals. There is one available room. If you can see, I actually removed one element, and actually you will see this because here there is just only one element left, and this is why I used tuples and list. The tuple, I used it because I don't want to be modified the amount of elements in the tuple, because I don't want that the list inside the tuple disappears, and I don't want that the name of the subject disappears. So that's why I use tuples. And I use list because the actual the rooms available, I want to remove them if they are not available anymore for you. So that's why I use list, and that's why I use tuple. Well, pretty much that's it. Actually, you want to see if I write math. Oh, no, wrong list. Sorry about that. But if I write math, there are no available rooms because my list is empty. Not the tuple, but the list inside the tuple is empty. Well, that's pretty much it, and hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the silent voice because my parents are already they already sleep, so sorry about that. See you.